Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Now today we're working on this Worcester and it's flashing a red light. Now let's see what's wrong with this one then. So basically what's happening to this, as soon as you put the power on, the red light starts flashing and the blue light flashes slowly. So I tried to reset it and see if anything happens, but nothing, still goes back into red light flashing. So I'm going to open it up and have a deeper look at it. If your boiler is broken down in South Birmingham, we offer emergency repair service. In most cases, same day repair. We repair all makes and models, also tank systems and Glendale pulsar coil. So give us a call today and make your problem our problem. So after thorough testing and checking it all out, I came to a conclusion the overheat stat is faulty. So I'm going to go ahead, get a new one and put that in and see how that goes. Right, I got the old one out. It was a bit of a struggle because I dropped the overheat stat inside the sump. So I had to take the condenser P-trap out from underneath and try and push it out from inside. And I got it out anyway. Thankfully I got small fingers. So I got that out after a bit of a struggle. So I got the new one. I'm going to put that in. We're going to test it out and see how it goes. Now putting the new one is quite easy. All you got to do is push it in and it just falls into place. That's it. Right, we'll be ready to fire up the boiler and we're going to test it out. Try again. Right, we've just tested it out on domestic hot water. It's working fine. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Till next time, keep smiling. Okay, sorted. My signature, don't be.